I'm searching for joy. My joy. 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 I'm searching for joy. My joy.
Princess Lidiwe Chisom Edward, I present you the crown. People of Nkuluk-Putu Kingdom, I present to you your princess. Long live the princess. You look beautiful, sister.
I wish Mother was alive to witness today.
Yes, but I'm here for you.
Will you leave there right now? Will you leave the way?
This girl again? What does she want?
Want your food? Is this smart girl from this village? Come on, get out from there. Get out from the road.
And now, little girl, leave the way for the princess.
Quick.
Now, what does she want? What do you want? I know her.
Huh?
No! Lindwin, stop there! This could be a trap. Stop!
Her name is Tabitha, and she's not violent.
Tambo! Scan the bushes. Guards!
The chips are empty, my princess. Come on.
Okay. I'll take it up from her. Step aside.
Please, Lindwin. Please! Do not assume people. She is an insane girl. She's not healthy mentally. Please.
Hello, Tabitha. My name is Chisom, Princess Chisom Lindwin. Could you please come right with me in my chariot? Can we be friends? Okay, fine, I understand. No one here comes. Okay? Please come. I have guests who are waiting for me in the palace. And I assure you,
That which gives you gladness, peace, joy, and calmness. It's her pain. And that which gives her gladness, peace, and joy is your pain.
I am lost.
Your happiness is her anger. And her happiness is your anger. That which makes you smile makes her cry. And that which makes her cry that which makes you smile makes her cry. And that which makes her cry will make you smile.
Why does she appear in my dreams? Why? You told me her name. Tabitha. Why is my sadness her happiness? Why, Soto? Sweet gorgeous, you are awake? My nap was cut short by a horrifying dream. Soto, was he watching you sleep? I dozed off while we were discussing. Sister, yes, darling. It is the little girl again. What about her? This time around, she intercepted our move and beat me.
Sweetheart, I think you are paranoid about this little insane girl. I am here for you. And nothing, I mean nothing, shall ever harm or come close to you. I'm your sister.
Thank you, dear sister. Thank you.
You know I love you. I love that smile. Oh, my sunshine. Be good, okay? Sister loves you.
Life is a journey through thick and thin. As we journey through this wilderness with hopes and dreams.
They're coming!
What kind of stupid joke is this? Huh? Uzoma, what is this now?
Chike, look at you. In fact, you are nothing but a coward. Look at the way you take off without even looking back. What if the invaders are in the front?
Are you not a stupid man? Must you joke with every single thing in your life? Do you think everything is joke? Eh? Every minute of your life, you're joking with some serious issues. Why?
You are right, my dear cousin brother. You are right. This is not a joking matter. You are right.
You're just a foolish man. You're just a foolish cousin. I regret ever having you as a cousin, Seth.
Yes, we are saying the same thing. Me too, I am even regretting it. Because I asked God to give me a cousin brother, a real man. Look at what God gave to me. Dada. Fine man, no single strength. It is me that will bring water for you. It is me that will cook food for you in this forest. It is me that will kill bushmeat and still prepare it for you. Now let me ask you. If the invaders catch me and kill me, will you be able to survive? Oh, you cannot even answer it. Will you survive?
Uzoma, see, let me tell you something. In life, you don't joke with everything. This is a serious matter in our kingdom. How can you be mocking with the genocide, the massacre, the killings of the widows, young men and women, the poor people? How can you be joking with something like that? Uzoma, something that have rendered a lot of lives, and you're joking with it. Uzoma, you're mocking me of my dead parents. Are you mocking me? You're mocking me, Uzoma.
Chikego, I'm a fool. I am really a fool.
You're just a foolish man, let me tell you. Until we leave this bush, I do not want to hear any nonsense from you again. Don't stop talking.
Amen and amen. Amen and amen.
Where is the water?
Oh, you are still thirsty.
Of course I'm thirsty. Every single thing you joke with. Even when you're dying, you're joking. I'll just live inside this bush and leave.
Do you care for some fruit I still have, but they are not ripe?
Eat your fruit.
It's your little Baba Munkete.
My little sister, the crown princess of this kingdom, have been on rest. Especially during her sleeping hours. There is a mad girl in the kingdom. According to her, this mad girl has been tormenting her sleep. I declare, everyone that enters this palace must be questioned and thoroughly searched. Am I understood?
Yes.
Tambo. Take your men into the kingdom. Search everywhere. Fetch me that lunatic. I want her here alive.
Yes, my princess. Your destiny must be fulfilled.
The princess is the most important personnel in this kingdom. If anything should happen to her, your heads will leave your necks. I don't give threatening words. I make promise. Now dismiss.
Yes, my princess.
They said you are a mad girl. But they don't know that madness is far from your blood. Truth will never be hidden forever. Where are you going now, my daughter? Mamuku needs water to drink. Will you help me, Tabitha, my daughter? Beautiful girl.
My sister interrupted our conversation last night. Sorry about that, Soto.
My princess.
Could you please elaborate my dreams and what you meant by those words last night?
My princess, I say what the gods tells me to say.
Then tell the gods that I, the princess, is worried. I am worried, Soto. I am scared. I am tired of having these horrifying dreams of Tabitha and I. Tell them that I am worried.
My princess.
You have... Leave us. I want to know all about my late father, King Edward.
My princess, I have told you all the story that you need to know.
He raped her and got her pregnant.
Yes! He did it.
Did what?
My father slept with one of my aunt, my mother's sister.
God, can you do me a favor and take away this rubbish boy out of my sight? Uzoma.
Yes?
How can you possibly be telling me this nonsense? I ask, can we go to your mother's place or any of your mother's sister's place for safety?
Ha! I am telling you that the only one that I know her house is the one that my father slept with. And I vowed with my blood, water and all the cells in my body that I will never go to her house or even think of going to her place. Even if I'm dying right now.
Okay, can we go to your maternal home?
That is my maternal home now.
No. I mean your mother's place, your mother's home, not your auntie.
Hi. Oh. My auntie did not marry at all. She is 74 years old now. And my maternal home is her home. Don't you get it, Nwa Dada? Don't you get it?
Gosh, are you saying that we're going to sleep inside this bush again? Again?
Chikebu, must I be the one bringing you to sleep? Don't you have a maternal home? Did your mother fly from the sky? Let us go to your maternal home. Don't be a fool.
They invaded my maternal home and took over the territory. What? What?
Did you hear that?
Hear what? Huh?
inside my wardrobe. You will see a gold pot. Bring it out. Open it.
Mother, they are beautiful.
I said, when I'm about to join your father, I shall give it to you.
Mother, you are not going anywhere. You are not leaving my sister and I.
Everybody has a day to exit the earth. Death is inevitable, my dear.
Mother, please, let's try South Africa. Since we've been to the US, London and India, yet they haven't been able to treat this ugly cancer. Please do not give up hope. Let's try South Africa, Mother, please.
You will not understand, my daughter. When a visitor knocks at your door, you cannot say, come back tomorrow. You are the princess of this kingdom. You are the jewel of the sun. I see the gods unveiling the hidden just to prove a point.
What do you mean, Mother?
You will understand someday when your husband becomes a king.
No, Mother. I am the last child. It is my sister Prudentia that should live with her husband here. This should be her home, as the tradition demands. She is to provide a king by getting married to the man who captures her heart, not me.
What if the gods favor you? What if they choose you? Because I know they will choose you. Not because of your golden heart, but they will. You will cherish the golden pot like I did for many years. You will put it on when the man detects your mind. Remember me when the man puts it on your neck, my adorable daughter Lindiwe.
Mother.
I want to rest now.
Mother, we are still talking.
Take the gold pot and leave. Let me save my remaining breath. Tambo.
Yes, my queen.
Serve her like you serve me and my husband, the king.
Yes, my queen.
I wish I have more life. Not even the gold should be trusted. My heart is evil. So many hearts are evil. Do not be deceived by a golden heart. We all have our backside. Tambo.
Yes, my queen.
Please, protect her. Even if she loses the precious gift, and not lose her life. I want to rest now. Cover me.
Yes, my queen.
My stunning angel, the beauty of the sun. You're radiant, shines like a diamond, and sparkles the ocean. How are you? You worry so much. I didn't hear you coming. I searched all over the palace for you. I thought I should be coming into gifting her. I knew you would be here. I miss Mother. I miss her so much. It's okay, sweetheart. I missed Mother too. We miss her so much. But I know she is now an angel, watching over us wherever she is.
Sis, I can't wait to get married. Just so I would wear this beautiful piece from our mother. It is so beautiful.
It is. So beautiful. I can't wait to see that lucky man. That will be the man for you. I can't wait to see you reign in this kingdom with your husband. Sweet angel.
Kiwi. I can feel her presence. I still smell her. This place, this room feels this place.
It's okay, sweetheart. The elders are waiting for us. They want to have a brief meeting with us. Come on, let's go.
Our crown princess, royal princess of Nkurumbutu, elders of Nkurumbutu royal cabinet. Oh, no. I welcome all of us today. In fact, I'm in a happy mood because in the next 7 market days, our crown princess here will be fully installed, so she can now go round the entire kingdom and make a choice of her husband, who automatically becomes our king, the king of great Nkurumbutu kingdom, just as our custom dictates.
Yes.
Huh?
It is our custom and tradition that the chosen princess will remain in the palace forever with her husband, who will in turn become our king. In a case as this, where our late king, His Majesty, King Edward IV, died without a son, our chosen princess here will have to make up her mind. In our next meeting, she has to indicate interest in getting married, because our throne cannot be vacant.
In addition, taking a man as a husband and a king from our kingdom, it's not a child's play. It's for the brave heart, not a chicken-hearted. These are the men who can sacrifice their lives, who can give all to humanity. I mean, if they fail to dictate what they have in mind, they'll be put to death. That's our tradition. Yes, our tradition. So the race or competition is still open for all men, both young and old, big or small, healthy or not healthy. Status does not matter this time around. The only thing that matters is the ability. Anyone who can sacrifice all to the benefit of this community.
Good. You got it. You got it well.
Good.
That is our tradition.
Greetings, elders of our land. I mean, cabinet members of Nkolumbuti Kingdom.
Welcome, our princess.
My sister and I are already acquainted with the norms of this kingdom. Still, I will say thank you so much for your words and the reminder. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my princess. Having done all that, I think we are set. The stage is now set to move forward.
Exactly.
Destinies collide when the sun rises again. I pray the rain falls again. These days are not far away.
Sister, this is barbaric and it has to stop.
I mean, I don't even have a say on the kind of man I want. I want a tall, dark, and elegant man. That's the picture I have in my head.
Sweetheart.
Take it easy. Why are you working yourself up? Relax. Relax your mind. You see, this has been the culture of our great kingdom. And there is nothing we can do about it now. We are handicapped. So calm down, relax and take it easy. Okay? Sister, why me? The gods are unfair to me. Why did they even choose me in the first place? I mean, any culture that takes away one's freedom of life and choice in a man is barbaric and it's unacceptable. It has to stop. My love, calm down. Just take it easy, okay? I don't like seeing you like this. Okay, look at the opportunity here. Your husband to be, the king, will have the staff and the ability to abort this culture. What about it? Oh, please, calm down. It's okay. Sweetheart, you know I don't like seeing you like this. Come on, smile for your sister. Baby.
Hi, my princess.
Sweetheart. You.
Look at you.
When did you get back?
Hi, Remy.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Same here.
I'll have to excuse both of you.
Come on, come here. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. And she?
Yes, my little sister. She's now the crown princess.
Wow! Congratulations!
It's okay.
That's nice.
So, let's go to my room.
Chikegu, this man is dead. This man is dead.
He's not dead. He's not dead. I can feel it. He's still alive. He's still breathing. Look at it. Look at it. He's still breathing.
Chikegu, you're a fool, no? I said this man is dead. In fact, half dead. Okay, let me ask you. What if these people come and meet us here?
They will not come. Let's help this man. Let's help this man. This man is still alive. Let's help him.
Hey! Why is my cousin brother so daft?
He's still breathing, though. Let's help
Why
him.
are you so daft? In fact, carry your thing yourself. I am going.
No matter how they try, no matter what they do, the mystery remains. Truth on your side, and the gods on your case.
alone! Leave me alone! Tambo, I am fine. I am fine. Fetch me Soto.
Yes, ma'am.
Run along. Coming.
My princess. What will my princess have for breakfast?
Neketa,
Yes, my princess.
please sit.
My princess.
Sit. You see visions, right? You are the one who predicted my father's death, and it came to pass.
My princess.
No. Don't panic. You have such an amazing gift. Now tell me, what is my fate? I want to know. Would Tabitha finally kill me? Oh yes, because she's been violent to me in my dreams. Yet I keep going to her. I want to help her, but she's out of my reach. I need to get her a healer. I want to know, why does she trouble my dreams? Why is she haunting me? Go on. Yes. Go on, please. Tell me whatever you're saying. I need to hear it all.
My princess.
Yes, please.
I need decorum.
Of course.
No! 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 Hey! Hey! What happened? You did it! You did it! You strangled this man! You did this! I know it! You went to strangle this man to death so we can focus on our journey. You did this! You did this!
How do we get a shovel?
Hey. Hey.
I wish I knew who he was. His last word gave me energy to try to save his life.
Bury me? Come on, he's dead already.
I know.
So can we now talk while we are going to reside in Nkulumbutu Kingdom?
What are you saying? Wait. Don't tell me you came into Nigeria just to find out if I'm the chosen princess.
Prudential, you're getting me wrong here. Okay, listen. You are the first princess. The first princess of this great kingdom, this palace. You are the first daughter of late King Edward.
My love, I just told you that the gods chose my sister, not me.
I mean, why? Why would the gods choose your sister rather than choosing you? Why? Look, something is definitely not right here. Something is not right here, because by virtue you're supposed to be the princess, the chosen princess. Why would the gods choose your sister instead of you? Why?
My love, I am okay. I am fine. See, I am so far excited and proud of my sister. Yes, she merits everything. The gods chose her, and I am so happy for her. And let me tell you, I will not love her less. Not even now.
Wait. Take it easy, okay? You want to tell me, for real, you want to tell me that you're comfortable with the God's decision? Is that what you want to tell me?
Sweetheart, why are you giving me the impression that you have been dating me for 5 years now because you want to be the king? Why?
No. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, Prudential. The thing is, come on now. It's somehow, no, look at it. Let's be sincere to ourselves. Why would the gods choose your sister rather than choosing you? Why? You are the elder sister, for God's sake.
My love, that is God's wish.
Don't give me that. That's not God's wish. That's not the wish of the gods. Don't tell me that.
I see you have been dating me conditionally, hoping that I will be the chosen princess. Then you will be the king and take over my father's companies and the entire empire of my great father, King Edward. If only you knew that it takes blood to be a king in this great kingdom. What did you just say?
I said, I am interested in marrying the chosen princess.
After 5 solid years? After my love? After all my effort? After my support to your career? You stand here to tell me you want to marry my younger sister just to become a king.
I'm sorry, Prudential, it is what it is. Look, I don't know how else to make you understand, okay? I have joined the radar. I mean, I have joined other men to contest for your sister. Please, try and understand me, okay? Try and understand my plight here. I have longed and wished to become the king. Prudential, I will not lie to you. I can't watch this golden opportunity slip out of my hands. Please.
Remy, I cannot pray for your soul to rest in peace. But I see your death very close. You dare break my heart. You came here to rip my heart apart.
Sorry. Look,
leave this minute, Remy.
Prudential, I said I'm sorry. Don't be selfish.
I don't want the gas to refund to you. I said leave.
Alright, fine. I'm sorry.
You want me to hate my sister. You want me to breed envy and jealous to my only beloved sister. No, no, it will never happen. I will always love you. Don't do it. I will always love you. I will always protect my sister. I will never do that. God.
I am tired. I am tired. I am not going again. I swear by the name of our God. I am tired. See, Chikebu, this is a village. This is a village. Let us stay here, please. Huh? Unless you want me to die here. Ogene. Is it Dada?
Hold my stick.
Where are you going?
Hold my stick.
Is it Dada? Is it Dada?
Hey. Do you talk? we are going to Nkulumbutu Kingdom. Nkulumbutu Kingdom. Do you know that place? Do you know the place? Nkulumbutu Kingdom. Nkulumbutu Kingdom.
What did you tell her that made her run away?
We are on the land of Nkulumbutu.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Chike, please, did you ask that poor girl if the people of that land eat human flesh? I mean, if they are cannibals.
When we get there, you ask their king. Yeah?
Thank you. See. It's important for our safety. Very important too.
Greetings, Mama.
Strangers. Beautiful skins to behold. I see 1,000 sorrows in your eyes. Flesh covers a lot.
Mama, please can we follow you to your house so you can give us water to drink?
Chikegu.
We are thirsty.
Chikegu. Mama, please, you can give him water to drink. I am fine. I am not thirsty. See, you will die in this kingdom. Bet me. No, Kurum, let's bet. Bet me.
He is bold like a king, brave like a warrior, kind like a dove. He is fearless in his eyes. Even his words cannot break him. I sell snuff, my children. Do you sniff snuff so I can send for you?
Mama, I am thirsty. Please, I need water to drink if you have water in your house.
Indeed, he knows what he wants. I've tested him. My son, please, put me in your bag. Take me home. My house is across the graveyard of the demon.
Hey! Tikegu, this is a ghost. A thief ghost and even an old ghost. Let us go. Let us go. Graveyard. You see?
Shut up. Just Mechionu, shut up for once. I am going to help her.
Mechionu.
Can't you see that she's tired already?
For time to save your life, I will shut up. Did you see the way she's laughing?
Mama, let me back you and take you home.
Smart time now, this one will just do pium. She will disappear.
You want to do pium? You do pium.
I will not do pium with you.
Identify yourself.
Like I said before, my name is Chike Gwazara.
And like I said before too, my name is Ozoma Dimba. Dimba.
Nkenta. Listen, I am sorry for disrupting whatever you're doing. But it's been 5 hours now. I need answers. I need you to tell me the things you've seen so far. I am impatient. Come on.
You will die.
What did you just say to me?
And where are you from? I mean, which of the kingdoms do you come from?
Where is she? Where is she? You evil princess, leave my children alone.
Amanuku, good to see you. You decided to visit the palace today?
You know why I'm here. I came for my children. Release my children for me.
Bia, this woman, Mamuku, what do you mean by your children? Is there anywhere anybody planted yam that his brothers don't do? Eh? Why are you talking about children? We all know you have no children. You don't even have a husband. Not to talk about having children.
Oh no, evil man. I better remember I'm not here to banter words with you. How dare you arrest my children? Release them now for me, for they are mine.
Mama Nico, I am so glad to see you here. It's fine. You shall go with plenty meals.
I don't need it.
It's fine. We are trying to protect our land from invaders and strangers that are thoroughly harmful to this kingdom. Just like this one. But it's fine. My sister, the crown princess, said that they are not harmful. So I shall release them to you.
Oh, the chosen one has spoken already.
Yes.
So just go and thank your chief.
Guards!
The chosen one has spoken. I praise them.
Guards! It's okay, my love. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine.
I didn't do anything to her.
It's fine.
She wants to kill me.
It's okay. I am here now. Your sister is here. No one can harm you. Okay? I will never leave your side again. I will always be here for you, my love. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine.
Evil intentions. Flying into the air, looking like an innocent dove, white, beautiful bird, but they are like ravens, troubling the ego king. Of all birds.
Wait. Just calm down, okay? Tambo! Tambo!
Princess.
I want you to find me who wants my sister dead. I shall behead all of you if anything should happen to the princess. Now, leave. Get me who wants my sister dead! Leave now!
The king of all birds.
I did nothing to her.
She was right here.
She was sent to kill the crown princess.
You can try as a human being, but you cannot stand the hand of God.
I just answered the question in your mind. Chukwugeu.
Hey. How did you know my cousin's name? Who are you and where are you from?
I am a friend. And you can never know me all. I'm from Umucheze, the home of peace. My mother is from Tanzania. My father is from Nigeria.
Are you ready to speak now?
Please, help me. Please. Please, I'll speak.
She wants to speak. Okay. I am listening. Talk to me. Who sent you to kill the chosen princess? Speak!
Evil-minded throne. Devil in angelic courts. I will not speak. I will not speak.
I know how to handle little maggots like you.
I am Nkenta, the smallest, but my heart is bigger. You cannot break me. I will not speak.
Tambo, the cobra.
Please, my princess, please. Help me, my princess. My princess, help me. Tambo. Please, my princess, help me.
Oh.
Help me! Please help me! Please help me! Help me! Please help me! Help me!
Will you speak now?
Marita, help me! Help me!
Speak!
My princess!
That's okay for today. You may continue tonight. Tambo. Tell my sister, the chosen princess, that she refused to talk. But I know she will talk tomorrow.
Yes, my princess.
She is not going to confess, my princess.
So who is behind her mission?
A friend. You see, look closely. Use your head. For whoever you truly know. Can they be your end? I mean, whoever you see now, look.
Sister.
News came to me that you have been throwing up. Is that fever? Should I get you a doctor?
No, I'm fine, sister. I am overwhelmed. Soto says she's not going to confess.
Soto. Is that true?
We all know the truth.
Soto. Consult the gods. Disturb them. Worry them. Seek from them like never before. Let them speak. Tell us who is behind this act. I want to know who wants to kill my only beloved sister.
As you wish.
Did you hear her? She said our home. See, what is our next plan? We cannot just be staying here. We can't be staying here. This woman may just die one day and they will accuse us of killing her. And before you know it, they will cook and eat also. Imagine your head boiling in a pot like a head of goat. Imagine. Like Ishewu. Ishewu.
Again. This time around, she was pulling my hair. It's all right. Soto is working very hard to fetch our enemies. Your enemies. Okay? You don't look okay. You look perturbed. What's wrong? What's wrong? Nkenta is dead. How? When? How, sister? When? She prefers to take her life than to confess. She strangled herself with her own aunties. No, that is impossible. No, it is not true. It can't be. It can't.
Yes. She did.
It's all right, my sister.
I would not relent. I must fetch who wants my sister dead.
Evil enemies are seen only by the gods. We make daily sacrifices and prayers for the chosen princess to be protected by the gods of the land.
Nwanyeke, are you telling me that you cannot find out the enemy in and out of the palace?
My princess, the enemy is the mind. When the mind is trapped to do evil, it becomes more dangerous for everyone. Whoever thinks evil is an enemy. But then, tell me, how do you open the minds to know what the mortals are thinking? That's why I say, only the gods knows everything. He sees everything from the beginning.
My sister, the chosen princess, hardly sleep at night. Her worst enemy is Tabitha. Each time I send the guards to go fetch her, she disappears into the thin air. Now tell me, for the third time, who is Tabitha? And how did she become a terror to my sister?
Secret. Far, far secret. Your mother, the late queen, is to be blamed for not telling you the secret.
What secret are you talking about, Nwanyeke?
A long time ago's secret. It's unclear. Very, very unclear. When I seek for an answers, it becomes more unclear to me. I see gold. I see dirt. I see blood. Everywhere. I see the death of my mother I hardly know. But one thing I know is a savior. A savior is coming to unveil the secret of our land. For I see the gathering, 9th meal in the palace.
Nwanyeke, I hate being angry and confused at the same time. If it would take me to kill Tabitha for my sister to be free, I shall do that. May the gods help me. Amen. Excuse me. My princess.
We can't even find a way, but the gods will make a way. The mystery is thickening, but the puzzle will be solved. Where there's a will, there can be a way. Where love resides, destinies collide. When the sun rises again, I pray the rain falls again. These days are not far away. The blessings may come my way. There shall be laughter and joy, smiling like kings and queens. This is what love can bring. Oh, may love find a way. There was, they are not stupid. They can be They are not sleeping. We are one people, and we are good people.
You are not permitted.
All right.
You broke my elder sister's heart simply because of the throne. You disgust me.
Princess, the truth is, I am not proud of it, okay? And I'm not proud of my actions either.
Listen to me, Remy. Becoming a king of this kingdom is like taking a fat meat off a lion's mouth. You will die in the curse.
I know what it takes, my princess. Look, I have read a lot of histories about your kingdom. Okay, I know the danger, and I'm prepared for it. The royal raider, as it is called.
Now you listen to me. If you do not dictate my mind on that day, I will have your head leave your neck.
I am prepared for it. My princess.
You would never be my husband, even if you win. May the gods bear me witness.
I have my eyes on the throne, not on any of you.
Untie her. Untie her! Untie her.
My princess, she is violent too.
Tabitha, you're such a beautiful girl.
I told you she's Where is Sorry, my princess. Hey!
He's taking his own her. Please, take it easy on her, please.
Very violent, that's stubborn. Hey!
Please take it easy on her. Please.
But you don't know I can.
Take it easy on her, please. How soft are you? What is wrong with you? How soft are you? You cannot be a princess like this. If not for the guards, Tabitha would have devoured you. Why are you stressing me? I did not command the arrest for Tabitha. I did not order the guards to maltreat a minor. That is not the point. The point is that you cannot see. You're too blind to see. The point is that that little rat is an instrument for destruction. Tabitha is being manipulated just to end your life. Why can't you just say it? Why can't you say it? Look at
the way she rushed and wanted to devour you immediately she was freed. She even beat you. Why can't you see the ugly writing on the wall? Damn!
Do you mean to say that the chosen princess is withholding what rightfully belongs to Tabitha?
Odiego, my son, it is broad. The way is broad. It can only take the wise to understand.
The way is broad. It takes the wise to understand.
By the way, who amongst you that is man who nods for Onowo's daughter? Onowo came here with his daughter and with a stern warning.
Oh, it's not me. Is this Oma? As I know too well.
Eh?
Yes, it's you.
But my manhood did not stand in the sight of that young girl. It did not stand now.
Come in.
My princess.
Has she eaten?
She refused to eat nor drink anything, my princess.
Send for the healer. Ask the maidens to clean her up, clothe her, and soak her in one of the best oil perfume. Just make her beautiful.
As you wish, my princess.
A strong spell was cast on her from birth.
Numerous healers have said the same thing. All we want is for you to heal her, so go ahead and heal her.
The spell is so powerful.
So what are you doing here if you cannot do anything to cast out the spell? Do you think we are here to joke?
All I know is that a strong spell has been cast on her. And it has a link through this very palace.
How?
That I do not know. And I do not speak when I'm not being permitted to.
Wise one from Oko Kingdom. Now, tell me. If we kill this little girl, will what is happening to my sister stop?
Sister! We are not killing anyone. We cannot afford to spill blood. No!
So, for how long will you continue to live in anxiety and fear?
Because of Tabitha and the unknown spirit. For how long? Great healer. Please, I beg you,
Do something. Think of a solution to this situation, to this predicament. Please.
Take her back to the cell. I shall embark on a journey in the spiritual world. When I return, she will not trouble you anymore.
I'll be glad to see you become king in the land you claim to be a stranger.
For how long have you been standing here?
Tabitha wants you to hear her. But not the way you wish. How are you, my friend?
I'm fine.
In 3 days' time, men shall gather in the palace. They shall desire, wish, and want to be the king by speaking the mind of the crown princess. And you, my friend, shall be among those brave men.
What are you doing here? This is my soon-to-be kingdom and palace. So I wonder why you are asking me such an irrelevant and stupid question.
You have not answered my question. What are you doing in my father's palace?
Why are you so pained on this, Prudential? Why? You of all people know that I hate failure. I am a go-getter. Yes. Listen, the reason of our dating is revealed, and it's quite sad that you were not the chosen princess. I am here to marry your sister, your own kid's sister, and become the future king. And then I shall order the guards to throw you out of this palace before you kill me with your nasty and stinky jealousy.
Remy, I know you very well. I know you are a very hard man. A go-getter, just like you said. You hate to quit. You can go miles just to get what you want. Well, I wish you well on that very day. But if you fail to let the golden broom fall in your favor, I Princess Prudencia shall order for your head. Your skull shall be placed just at the entrance of this palace gates. And people shall see the foolish, brainless, idiot go-getter. But before then, leave my father's house this minute. Now.
Can't you see I'm shaking? I'm scared. Listen, Prudential, I shall become the king. Then, you, Prudential, will watch me order the guards to throw you out of your own father's palace.
Guards?
My princess. Hey. Don't touch me. It's fine, okay? I'll leave. We're not quarreling, but...
Fool! Idiots! You will never be the king. A stupid, foolish, dubious.
Tambo,
Yes, my princess.
my mother asked you to protect me with your life. This is the time. This is the time, Tambo. Don't leave my sight. Do not leave your princess. Please. Please.
I pledge. I will die protecting you, my princess.
I am scared. I am confused, Tambo.
All I want is to be on the path with anyone that will avail me the opportunity of becoming the king. That's all I want.
Well, it's okay, bro. I understand you. But I'm sorry to tell you, bro. It's unfortunate. This is your end.
What I say? What are you talking about?
Bro, just give yourself a few minutes and you will understand what I am trying to say. It's beginning to happen. You can play on my family.
You know what? Let me just quickly ease myself here, okay?
Okay.
Just a minute. I won't be long.
Be fast about it, bro.
Sure, bro. I won't be long. Just ease myself and
Come on, be fast, bro.
I'm coming, bro. So much water in the bladder, you know. I need to pee like a king.
Okay.
Come, you're pissing for too long, bro.
You need to be like a king, you know? So, let's go.
Okay.
I'm sorry for keeping you.
It's okay. Oh, your cigarette. You're not smoking.
Oh, come.
Nigga, I poisoned your cigarette when you went to pee.
You what?
Yes, I poisoned your cigarette. Joe, you see, ugly, dirty, unmannered and uncultured billionaire son like you doesn't fit to be on that throne. Hey, what were you thinking? Huh?
But why? I asked myself. I was asked to run by Ekema, and I kept running without knowing what happened. I now decided, I even thought of my own brothers and where they have been. I thought of it. I said no. I paused and decided to go to Onowu's house to find out what happened, my son. Those wicked guys came and apprehended me and took me to palace. My son, I saw hell. I was bullied. They injured me. They beat me. They said I should provide my two brothers and the pregnant wife, Ulima. How can I provide people I don't even know their whereabouts? They took me to cell. They tortured me. They wanted me to die there. Hey! Oh, at night, before the annual festival, the king fell sick and died. After the coronation of his son that gave birth to the two princesses, I was released. I came out alive. I really thank the gods for that singular act, my son.
I am ready to join the royal raider.
You say?
Yes, you heard me right.
No. No, you must be joking. Look at this one, oh. Mamuku, look at this boy, yo. Do you know what you're talking about? Do you want to be dead? Eh? Do you want them to take off your head from your body? Are you mad?
It is my wish to see you put this on tomorrow, my sunshine.
Sister.
Yes, darling.
I can't wait.
Yes. You are beautiful. Always beautiful. You are adorable, my darling.
Sister, you always flatter me.
No, this is who you are. A beautiful princess.
You see, the truth is, sometimes I want to get married. And the other times, I really wish to remain single. I mean, spinsterhood is supposed to be fulfilled.
Sweetheart, the most adorable princess. You must make our parents proud. You must put this on so that our late mother, the queen, will smile and release her blessings upon you. I shall be by your side tomorrow and always. The gods are wise. They chose you. You are the chosen one. So please, don't be confused. I love you.
I love you too, sister. You are the best sister in the world.
I love you forever. You are the best gift I ever have. I will give my life for you. I love you. I love you too.
Wanyeke, you can never be like your late mother. She died with her evil. She wanted to undo all that she did. She disobeyed the gods. You already know.
I think you're speaking from your carnal mind. You are not among us, the living.
You already know. Undo that which your mother did, so you would die fulfilling your own hour of death. Break the protocol as the God speaks to your spirit.
May I never walk in the path of evil men. The gods have spoken, and I heard it loud and clear. There won't be shade of blood. No man will lose his life. An instant abolishment have been made.
Wise one, we have a custom, an age-long tradition, and a way of selecting kings when it comes to this kind of situation. What are you saying?
Oh no, I already know, for the gods have spoken. A king is already among us, for what is written can never be unwritten. Destiny will always play its part. A king is among us.
Even without our due process, our usual process?
Oh no, if you think I am lying, then you can come and take the golden broom and put it on the hair yourself.
No, we're not doubting the gods. We're just trying to, Huh?
Who is a king among these men here? Tell us.
Elders, allow me to do my job. He is the king.
Eh? No! Not anymore! A stranger! A total stranger at that! Our king? Not possible.
He is the chosen one. He is the king.
No. Wise one. A stranger cannot be our king. It's a taboo. Igwe anyị abatakwa n'obi igwe ndị Ikutombo wee na-abịa wee na-akpalite okpu eze wee na-asị na ị ga-achị ka nka mbọsị eke ise ị ga-achị chika nka mbọsị orie ise ị ga-achị chika nka mbọsị afọ ise mbọsị nkwọ ga-azụtara gị n'ezinụlọ gị na kingdom a sọsọ ife ọma ngwa dịka anyị na-egwu egwu ugbu a anyị na-ekwu ya that you are the ambassador of our kingdom.
Ise ye kwuru ka a na-eme.
Now, by crowning you now, we believe that you will bring development to our kingdom. Everything that is good will come through your reign. And you shall reign and be fruitful on your throne to have a survivor. This is the scepter of your authority. Yes, with this in your hand, anywhere you pass, anything you say is standing and binding on all of us, your subjects. Eh? I have your seat in the throne.
Cha, ndị ichie kwenu. Yeah. Ndị ichie lienu. Yeah. Ndị ichie mụọnụ. Yeah. Unu ya ebikwa igwe.
Beautiful. It looks so beautiful on you, sweetheart.
Thank you, sister. Thank you.
All right. Let me leave both of you.
Baffles me why the gods chose a total stranger to become the king of this land.
The will of the gods.
I know why you strived to be here. You and I know that we do not love each other. We do not even have feelings for each other. But we must work for the purpose of this land.
All I want is for Tabitha to get healed and remain in this palace. But
what?
But she is so beautiful. Truly a queen.
But I must tell you that my sister tells me that every day, every second.
Why did the gods choose you instead of your first sister?
And why did the gods choose you instead of a soil of this land? You will heal my wounds if you heal Tabitha, for she's my worst nightmare.
A doctor will come and see her.
Soto, what are you doing?
Going back to the beginning.
Which is?
The beginning of the end.
I command you to speak!
Tabitha is right. But you, my princess, is wrong. Look at it.
You mean this is her greed? Soto, this is a gift from my mother, the queen. What are you talking about?
Her anger is your joy. And her joy is your pain. Look at it, my queen.
You throw your cowries on the floor and ask me to look at them. How do you expect me to make meaning out of this? These are your cowries, Soto. I see nothing but your cowries.
A friend is betrayed, and a friend is sad. Be careful of a friend, for that which protects you is not a friend, but a friend. The hawk roam up in the sky, not for the fun of the breeze. The head is fixed to the ground, waiting patiently to strike the cheeks when the hand is careless. Princess, do not leave the palace. Do not leave the palace, even if the palace is fallen. For a friend is about to strike, my queen.
not leave the child. Do not leave the palace, my queen.
Go call Soto for me. Go to his house and fetch him for me. Thank you.
I'm sorry, my princess. I will send the guard to call him.
How dare you throw my message to another? Why are you making me angry? Why?
I am to guard and protect the queen, my princess. I am sorry if my words are rude.
You amaze me. But it's fine. You may go now.
And what is going on, sister?
My queen.
Never mind, little princess. It's fine. You may go, Tambo.
No. A second. What is going on?
I sent Tambo here to go fetch me Soto. I heard this ill dream last night. Tabitha was chasing you non-stop. I sent him to go fetch me Soto so that he can help us get a strong medicine man to heal Tabitha. But no. He said I should send another guard. Yes. He is your personal guard. He don't need to leave your sight. And he's right. He's right, my little princess. You know we don't know our foes here in the palace. So it's fine. Tambo, you may go.
Tambo, is that so?
My queen.
By the way, why are you acting strange and overprotective lately? What is wrong with you? What is going on?
Nothing, my queen.
Now go fetch my elder sister, Soto.
My queen.
It is an order! Leave!
My queen.
I said you should forget about him. I can send another guard. Besides, he's right. He is here to protect you always. My darling, we never know our foes in this palace. Okay?
Sister, Tabitha is being manipulated by some forces, unknown forces. She's about the only violent person in this palace and she's already in chains
I am fine. There is nothing to worry about me. Sweetheart. My darling. Are you too quick to forget about Nkenta's saga? She never confessed who sent her to attack you. Have you forgotten? Sister, Tabitha is being manipulated by some forces, and she happens to be the only violent person in this palace. We have beefed up on security. I am fine. There is nothing to worry about me, like I said earlier. Okay? Yes.
What have you done? You killed him! You killed Soto! You enemy of the palace! She said it. Soto said it.
Tambo the smart and humble servant of the palace. You are a fool. You are a fool because you are so stupid that you didn't sense the danger coming in that palace.
What are you talking about? You wretched and heartless fool! What are you talking about?
Tambo, I know you all didn't see this coming, but I know of all your illicit and despicable acts in that palace. I know every move you take.
You were enemy of the palace. You know you were man enough. Drop your weapon. Drop it, let's do this. With our muscles. Oh, you are lucky I came here alone. Oh, I never saw this coming. I never saw this coming.
You want me to drop my weapon?
Drop your weapon.
I will drop it and let's do this man to man. I am going down. Down. Drop your weapon, fool. Rest in peace, old fool. You want to challenge me? Rest in peace, bro.
Tambo!
What?
Soto!
Hey!
Tambo! Tambo!
Soto! Soto!
It's okay. It's okay.
Soto! Hey! Soto!
Who did this to them?
Who did this to them? Who did this to them? Who did this to them? Soto! This is the height of sacrilege. Height of sacrilege. Who did this to them? Who did this to them? Hi!
Our enemies are not far from us. They were my best friends.
We grew up together in the palace. Tambo!
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Tambo! 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 My princess. My princess. Let's leave here. We're not safe. Soto!
Please.
Soto!
Let's
leave.
Please.
We're not safe. Let's leave. It's okay, princess. Tambo! It's not safe for you. This is the height of sacrilege. Tambo! No, princess, let's leave. It's not safe. Hey! This is the height of sacrilege. What happened to them? Not in this kingdom. This is not happening at all. Not under my watch.
Jojo.
My princess.
Clean this up. Excuse me.
Fire us. Who is about this? We cannot stay at home and watch she go deliver anything like this. It's not happening in this kingdom.
We'll take care of that. Let's go.
Ow! No!
You see, according to what my late father told me, he said the king was angry that Obike cannot produce a king because of his state of penury. A hunter that is, a peasant farmer. So they conspired that he cannot be and tried to kill him. You see, the elders and the king tried to wipe off his lineage.
Who's after you?
Nothing is after me. You need to run. Take your wife, your brother, and run as far as you can out of this village. A meeting was conducted at the palace. The throne has left to the palace to your abode. You are to produce the next king of this kingdom, but the king is not happy about it. Now he has vowed to wipe you and your family out of this kingdom. I lied to them that you took your wife to the hospital, and I know they will soon come at me to kill me. But I don't care. What I need is for you to be safe. Most especially this baby. Do everything within your care to keep the baby safe. Let's go.
Let's leave here.
Run!
My husband, please, let's go, please. Let's go.
Do everything within your power to keep that baby safe. What will I do now? These people must be looking for me.
So this is where you are?
Yes. Please don't kill me. I am innocent. I did nothing to you. I told you what I knew. How dare you lie to us? How dare you lie to us?
before my father died at the missions hospital, he told us the story. And then I was barely 12 years of age. You see, I could remember that story vividly because that was the last word he had with us, his children, before he died.
Zumba, my good friend, when are you going back to your mother's country? When the secret is revealed. What secret are you talking about?
A lot. The beautiful face behind the ugly mask. The innocent heart haunted for the crime they do not know. My queen, can you give back that which you cherish most to the real owner?
Who is this man and what is he talking about? Who are you?
The man you know. The man you do not know.
Wait. What are you talking about? What I cherish?
I can heal Tabitha.
Wait, you can what?
How?
It's very simple. Her healing lies in the palm of the queen.
Me?
Yes, my queen, you. Give back the golden necklace to the real owner, for it is not yours.
Guards! Seize this man this minute.
No. Zumba goes nowhere. That is why I'm here. Zumba, talk to us. What do you know about the golden necklace? Speak. And I do not want any interruption from anybody again. Another speak.
This man cannot talk bullock in this palace. The gold was given to my sister by our late mother, the queen. It's not meant for any other person but my sister. What are you saying?
Your mother, the queen, stole this gold from the real owner and killed her.
Enough. Enough! What is the meaning of this? I can't watch this madman call my mother a thief. My mother is not a thief. How dare you leave this palace now?
No. That is what happened. Your mother, the queen, killed her best friend after her child delivery because of this gold. Why do you think the queen mother died of cancer? Princess Lindiwe, I am Zumba. I know everything from the spiritual and how it all began. But I know everything, even that which you think I do not know. I know them all.
I cannot fall for this lie. This is not possible. You don't need to do that. You can't believe these lies. Our late mother bought the necklace from Dubai. And that was what she told us, right?
Zumba, speak to us. We're here to listen to you.
This is how it all happened, so you don't go spilling blood.
Oh, my friend, you're welcome.
My dear, you need to see the golden necklace my husband sent for me from London. It is so magnificent.
Are you serious?
Need to see it. Hey, see?
Oh my God. Wow! This is beautiful.
You can say that again. He said it's a gift for our unborn child.
What a gift to behold. Oh my God. This is so lovely.
That man, you just spoil me with expensive jewelry and other things.
My friend. Dash me now. I so much love this.
What did you just say? Dash? I mean, a gift for my unborn child. Are you for it? Hey.
It's beautiful. Oh, I wish it's mine.
I don't want to spoil me with expensive jewelry. Please give it to me now before you use eye and steal it. It's okay. Okay.
Oh my.
Give it to me.
Where is my bed?
We are cleaning her up now. You'll see her shortly. Yes, my queen. Congratulations. You have a beautiful princess. Let me know when you can bring her for you.
Well, this is beautiful. This will be nice on my daughter when she becomes a queen. Yes. Oh. I so much love this.
Yes. Yes. Oh. Queen Amaka, what have you done? I saw it all in my shrine. Why would you kill your fellow queen? Your friend, who just put to bed. Why are you so jealous and envy?
I was angry. Her husband gives her a lot, unlike my husband, your king.
But she gives you too. She dashed you a lot from her old jewelries.
Enough! I am Queen Amaka. I deserve the best. I deserve those jewelries. Yes. I shall gift it to my daughter when she becomes a queen. And she will wear it.
You don't know the gravity of what you have brought upon yourself. The gods have laid a curse on you, and you shall no longer bear a fruit of a child. And you shall suffer for the rest of your life.
Please, Ekenwai. Please, fight for me. Please, Ekenwai. I wish I can undo what I did, but I can't. I want to bear a son. Yes, a prince. Please, Ekenwai. I want to live long. Help me, please.
I cannot do anything, for you have soiled your hand in blood, and the baby she gave birth to shall forever haunt your daughter, and any of them you gave that bloody gift to.
Kill her! Yes, Ekenwai. I don't want anything to haunt me, nor my daughters. Please, Ekenwai, I shall give to diamond, gold, silver, name it. Please, Ekenwai, I beg you.
I cannot kill a royal blood. But I shall cast a curse of insanity on her. So she will be far, far away from your lineage. You shall die with a disease, and you shall no longer have happiness for the rest of your life.
Wait a minute. Ekenwai, what if I return the jewelries? Yes. What if I return the gold back to the baby? Please.
What have been spoken can never go back to the tongue. The gods have spoken.
Oh my God. 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 Oh my God.
Don't fall for this man. Don't.
Oh my God.
No. No. I will not fall for these lies. We cannot fall for these lies. You cannot. That was what our mother told us. Right? You can't. You all should not fall for these lies.
The gods strike Nwanyeke and her way returning from the palace for her total disobedience. She was sent to lay more curse upon the queen mother, your mother. She went and helped her cover up the secrets and laid the curse of insanity upon the newborn baby on her way leaving the palace that very day. Princess, why do you think the queen mother died of cancer? My queen, return back the golden necklace to the owner for you to have peace.
Who are you? And how did you know all this?
It was all revealed to me. You will understand who I have been when the time.
So we shall take out Umuocha, then explain to them very well that she is a princess in Umuocha kingdom. Then explain to them how it all happened. They will reason with us. I'm sure they will reason with us. Huh?
No, please, I don't want to go, please. I want to stay with you.
Your destiny must be fulfilled.
You will stay, my darling. You are not going anywhere. You need to stay and know your people. You need to be in good health. You are a beautiful soul, my darling. But please,
do me a favor and forgive the queen. Please.
I forgive the Queen Mother. I forgive her.
Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations once again. Now I understand the reason all protocols were pended because of you. You are a king from birth.
Yes. I'm happy you've regained your sound mind and tranquility in this palace.
Yes, you are correct. For the very first time in a long time, I slept like a newborn. I felt a burden has been lifted off my shoulders. I feel peace inside of me now. I am a free queen. It's time to take a walk with my sister. I'll see you on my return.
Lady, my queen.
Yes, my king.
I promise to protect you. So I wish to go with you.
Not to worry, my king. I'll be fine. Besides, we are within this vicinity. We're not going far from this palace. It is a sister's walk. We've always had this walk since our teen days. It is where we get to pour out our pains and throw them away, far, far away. I shall see you on my return.
It's loud outside. You can't trust anyone. I feel very uncomfortable. It's a red sign. So I wish to go with you, or I beef up the guards.
My king, like I said earlier, there is nothing to worry about. It is a sister's walk, my blood sister. Besides, my sister is a warrior. Do not underestimate her. I shall see you on my return.
I know you are disappointed with our mother's behavior.
You know, right?
Yes. She is unpredictable. And it's unfortunate. Sweetheart. I hope you will be able to forgive me too.
Sister, you are not like our mother, okay?
You are wrong. I am just a replica of our mother, the Queen.
What are you talking about?
I am like our mother, the Queen, you know. And you, like your real father, the king, the late king. Lindway. We are not bloods.
Sister, what has gotten over you? What do you mean? We are blood.
It is time to unveil the true me. Sister, I have buried this in my mind for a very long time now. Sister Lindwin, this is end of the road for you. Sister,
Sister, you are my blood! You are my blood! Sister, don't let them take me away, sister! You are my blood! I am not your blood! I am not your blood! I am not your blood!
Take your men and capture the palace. It is time to take over what rightfully belongs to me.
Yes, my princess. I will see you at the other end.
How do you mean?
Do you remember the man you buried in the bush? The journey in the wilderness?
Yes, I do. He asked me to bury him under a tree.
I am the man.
So, but come on, you got to be kidding me. What are you talking about?
You don't need to be scared. Your parents asked me to protect you and the throne. No evil shall come near you. At any slight point you get close to danger, there will always be a savior.
Hey!
You're a good man. For the sake of your kindness, you will not be put to death. Now let me tell you about who you really don't know. The evil princess.
Okay. That's okay. I've heard you. Okay, I'll call you back. Oh, my love.
Who is my biological father?
My
mother, who is my biological father? I want to know right now.
The king! What has come over you?
Mother, I am not joking. I am not joking with you.
Who is my biological father? Speak! Ramaphosa. Ramaphosa. From the tribe of Zulu. He is your father. He is your real father.
Why, Mother? Why didn't you tell me all this while? Why?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please, forgive me. I didn't mean to keep this away from you. He impregnated me and ran away. He abandoned us. You were barely a month old in my belly when the king saw me and fell in love with me in the country. He never knew about the pregnancy, so he brought me down to Nigeria and got married to me. I love you like I love your sister. And that's the truth.
The gods will not choose me as the crown princess. Because I am not a royal blood. my husband would not be the king of this kingdom. I will never be a queen, just like your mother. Why? I'm sorry. Why? I'm so sorry. I will never let that happen. Over my dead body will I allow it happen. Mark my words and bet me. Excuse me, please.
Sent for me.
I have an assignment for you, and it's from the princess.
Which of the princesses?
Princess Prudential.
What exactly am I doing this time? Because I don't understand. Am I cooking for another event? Again?
Yes, you are to cook. But this time not for an event. Your assignment is to kill Princess Lidiwe.
May the gods forbid. What are you talking about? How dare you say that, Jojo?
Just shut up, you fool. Listen, that assignment must be carried out tonight. Poison her food. Make sure she does not see the next day. And listen, if you dare do otherwise, I am sorry because you're a dead man. Fool.
I overheard the queen telling her that her father is a Zulu man from South Africa. Is that why she wants to kill her own sister? Oh my God. Her sister is the true princess. I know what to do. I will write an application for a 2 days leave and use that opportunity to run far away from here. I cannot spill royal blood. No way. I will run with my family to the city.
You say it's an emergency?
Yes, Your Majesty.
2 days?
Yes, Your Majesty.
But why don't you bring your sick father to the royal hospital? I mean, it will cost you nothing.
He insisted on herbal medication, Your Majesty.
I hope all is well.
Yes, my princess.
The chef wants to go for 2-day leave.
Subenna, I hope all is well.
Yes, my princess.
You may go. I wish you all the best.
Send me word to your sick father.
Yes, Your Majesty.
When the sun rises again, I pray the rain falls again. These days are not far away.
is not the angel you think to your wife, the queen. You have let loose your protective instincts, and now her desires will become an accomplishment.
To kill my wife? To kill the queen? My wife? No. Not my wife. No. No. What is going on here? Hey.
Where is the other guy?
They went after Zumba.
Where is your friend, Zumba?
My friend is long gone. And you can never get him. Never.
See? He is irrelevant anyways. My name is Queen Prudencia. Your queen. Your own queen. Permit me to announce to you that I run this show. This so pregnant. I started running it from the little of it until this stop. I deserve to be your queen! You're that stupid princess, I can't call her a queen. Lindway. She took everything from me. She took everything from me. Everything! Our mother's love. Everything! I've killed a lot. I killed them all. I killed them. Yes. I killed Nkenta. Tutu. Sambo. I killed all of them. You know why? Kill the chosen princess. Or you die.
My princess.
Have it. Anything that will make you goof this assignment. And you dare mention my name. As you call my name, you shall lose your sick mother. Yes. Your brother and your twin sister. all of them will join you in the land of the dead. Yes. Take. She will call you. Go there. Slay her. Everything in your family shall die.
Mommy, don't kill me. I promise I will not speak no matter the torture. I'm not going to speak.
Come on. Listen, Nikita, I have always loved you, okay? I cannot kill you. Huh? Nikita, listen, I have always liked you from day one, okay? I just came here to show you how much I love you. And if you agree to love me too, I will protect you. So why would I want to kill you? Listen, Nikita, I love you so much, okay? And I'm here to protect you, okay? Give me a hug, come on. Show me you love me too. Give me a hug. Oh, shut up, you fool!
I killed. Yes. All because of that stupid Lindway. I have so waited for this day. A day like this. That I will be the queen of Nkulumbutsu kingdom. Dying and wine with my cousin Jojo, who is also my lover. Sweetheart, come on, come here. Surprise? Surprise! Jojo.
My queen.
Let me have the book.
Oh, with all pleasure, my queen. Yeah, time to take over.
Say a last prayer.
Taking over. Oh, keep praying, bro. Taking over.
era of Queen Prudencia. Finally, I am going to put this.
You evil butterfly that pretends to be a bird. Daydreamer. Daydreamer. That's who you are. How dare you think it's possible? You evil butterfly that pretends to be a bird. So, in your mind now, you thought you have won the battle. You are smart, but the gods were smarter.
Elders. Sit. Please sit. Let us sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Let us plan on how we can run this era. The era of Queen Prudencia.
You can never be queen. Never! We curse you forever. You think you've won? You think so?
Won? No. I flushed the bad eggs. This is a new era. Queen Prudencia's era.
Oh, your era ends today. Your men did not kill me. That is the mistake you made. They didn't search the palace for a surviving soul.
How dare you talk when I am talking? Who gave you that impetus? Who? You called the elders for me? You rats! You called the elders for me? And I will stop! Stop! No! No! Your evil game is up. No! Don't come close to me. Don't. Your end is today. Close. No! No! Ghosts! Ghosts! Stop! All of you! I set you all on fire. You cannot be alive. No!
They are not ghosts. They are not ghosts. As you can see, you thought you could harm our king? No way. Or hurt our queen. How dare you? Look at her. Look at this palace disgrace. How dare you? You thought you were smart, but the gods have shown that they are smarter. Fool! I will not go. No, it's not possible.
Hey, you are surrounded. Drop that gun and don't even think of pulling the trigger.
I cannot allow it to happen. Sorry. It's Sorry. Come, let's go. It's okay. Come.
Where's my king?
It's okay. I'll go and get it. Let's go. It's okay.
I followed Jojo. I watched everything. I saw it all. You are the evil one. You are your mother.
Officers! Drop the gun! Drop the gun for the last time.
Just obey and drop the gun.
Drop the gun!
My king!